Amidst an automotive revolution poised to redefine the electric vehicle landscape, Toyota's CEO has unveiled a groundbreaking high-performance engine poised to challenge the status quo of the EV industry. As the global drive towards electrification accelerates, speculation mounts. Will this innovation hit the market by 2026? How does its technical prowess stack up against competitors? Or is this proclamation merely an overhyped claim? Join us as we delve into the bold statement from Toyota's CEO. Our new engine is the end of the entire EV industry. But before we dissect this bombshell, let's first establish some context surrounding Toyota's CEO. Toyota's CEO and the beginning of his early career. In the earliest days, Toyota's foray into engine development was characterized by engines that were simple yet damn effective at that time. Who would have believed such a simple engine could outsmart other competitive robust engines in the present day? Its evolution is truly remarkable, shaking every car industry from slumber. Did you know that during World War II, Toyota primarily manufactured standard-sized trucks almost exclusively for the Army? After the war, Toyota began to diversify and refine its engine technology. Now we know that Toyota had already initially laid a foundation for its future in automotive engineering. How then can any car outsmart its present complex and effective designs? But then, who is Toyota's CEO? And how did Toyota get branded? Continue watching to find out more. Toyota is the great-grandson of the Toyota Automatic Loom Works founder, Sakichi Toyota, and grandson of Toyota Motor Corporation, founder Kiichiro Toyota. He was born on May 3, 1956, in Nagoya, to Shoichiro Toyota and Hiroko, popularly known as Nei Mitsui. Toyota completed his undergraduate degree in law at Keio University and was awarded his Master's of Finance at Babson College, Massachusetts. In January 2009, it was announced that Toyota was chosen as the forthcoming president of the company. On June 23, 2009, he was confirmed as the new president, along with 4 new executive vice presidents and 8 new board members. The previous president and CEO Katsuaki Watanabe became vice chairman, replacing Katsuhiro Nakagawa. In 2012, he was named Autocar's Man of the Year. Toyota's mega branding. In 1936, Toyota entered the passenger car market with its Model AA and held a competition to establish a new logo, emphasizing speed for its new product line. After receiving 27,000 entries, one was selected, which additionally resulted in a change of its moniker to Toyota, from the family name Toyota, which means rice paddy. The new name was believed to sound better, and its 8-stroke count in the Japanese language was associated with wealth and good fortune. The original logo was a heavily stylized version of the katakana characters for Toyota. As the company started to expand internationally in the late 1950s, the katakana character logo was supplemented by various word marks with the English form of the company name in all capital letters, Toyota. Toyota introduced a worldwide logo in October 1989 to commemorate the 50th year of the company and to differentiate it from the newly released luxury Lexus brand. The logo consists of 3 ovals that combine to form the letter T, which stands for Toyota. Toyota says that the overlapping of the 2 perpendicular ovals inside the larger oval represents the mutually beneficial relationship and trust between the customer and the company, while the larger oval surrounding both of these inner ovals represents the global expansion of Toyota's technology and unlimited potential for the future. The new logo started appearing on all printed material, advertisements, dealer signage, and most vehicles in 1990. The Toyota Way is a set of principles and behaviors that underlie the company's approach to management and production, which is further defined as the Toyota Production System. Toyota still uses the katakana character logo as its corporate emblem in Japan, including on the headquarters building, and some special edition models still use the Toyota wordmark on the grille as a nod to the company's heritage. On July 15, 2015, the company was delegated its own generic top-level domain. In his book, Liker calls the Toyota Way a system designed to provide the tools for people to continually improve their work. According to Leiker, there are 14 principles of the Toyota Way that can be organized into 4 themes, which include the long-term philosophy, the right process will produce the right results, add value to the organization by developing your people, and lastly, continuously solving root problems drives organizational learning. The massive production of Toyota's system. The Toyota Way helped to further shape the company's approach to production, where it was an early pioneer of what would become known as lean manufacturing. The company defines the Toyota production system under 2 main pillars, just-in-time and Jidoka. The origin of the Toyota production system is in dispute, with 3 stories of its origin, which are: the first story is that during a 1950 trip to train with the Ford Motor Company, company executives also studied the just-in-time distribution system of the grocery store company. The second story is that they followed the writings of W. Edwards Deming. And the third story is that they learned the principles from a WBUA U.S. government training program. After developing the Toyota production system in its own facilities, the company began teaching the system to its parts suppliers in the 1990s. Other companies were interested in the instruction, and Toyota later started offering training sessions. The company also has donated the training to non-profit groups to increase their efficiency and thus ability to serve people. Why was hydrogen integrated in the development of Toyota cars? The crux of Toyota's innovation lies in the use of hydrogen as a fuel for combustion engines. Unlike hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles like the Toyota Mirai, which generate electricity through a chemical reaction, HYSES burn hydrogen directly in a manner akin to gasoline engines. This direct combustion method has a unique advantage, which is its production of almost zero CO2 emissions. The only significant byproducts are trace amounts of engine oil burned during driving and some nitrogen oxides due to the intake of oxygen from the air. However, these emissions are considerably lower compared to traditional internal combustion engines. Another intriguing aspect of the engine is its efficiency. Hydrogen combustion engines can potentially achieve higher efficiencies compared to traditional engines, especially in high-load situations. The efficiency gains translate into better fuel economy and, more importantly, a significant reduction in emissions. Since the only byproduct of hydrogen combustion is water vapor, the engine achieves near zero emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option. The Paris Agreement and other international accords emphasize the need to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Toyota's push towards hydrogen and water-powered technologies aligns perfectly with these objectives, offering tangible solutions to achieve these critical goals. Now, let's consider the potential impact on the EV industry. The current landscape of the EV industry is dominated by battery electric vehicles. However, Toyota's hydrogen and water-powered technologies present a new paradigm. Hydrogen vehicles can be refueled quickly, much like traditional gasoline cars, offering a significant advantage over battery EVs in terms of convenience. Furthermore, Toyota's approach diversifies the options available to consumers, challenging the notion that battery EVs are the only path to sustainable transportation. By offering a range of environmentally friendly options, Toyota is not just competing in the EV market, it is expanding the market itself, introducing new concepts that could redefine what it means to drive a sustainable vehicle. By aligning with global environmental goals and challenging the existing paradigms in the EV industry, Toyota is paving the way for a future where transportation is not just about getting from one point to the other, but doing so in a way that is sustainable, efficient, and in harmony with our planet. As these technologies evolve and mature, they hold the potential to disrupt the automotive industry, offering exciting possibilities for the future of mobility. Toyota's world-recognized certification to contribute to the expansion of biodiversity conservation areas. As part of the challenge to establish a future society in harmony with nature, COP15 adopted the Kunming-Montreal Biodiversity Framework with the common global goal to halt and reverse biodiversity loss, to put nature on a recovery track by 2030. To achieve this goal, Targets such as 30 by 30 have been established within this framework for each country to conserve 30% or more of their terrestrial and marine areas. According to the Toyota Company, they will continue to make the most of the technology and expertise they have accumulated through various businesses, aiming to achieve a sustainable society where humans and nature can coexist. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another of our interesting videos before you leave.